In this video, you will learn how to install the Go Focus sensor in a vehicle. The Go Focus sensor package contains the following items. For this demonstration, we will install the Go Focus unit in a 2023 Ford F-250. Begin by finding a suitable location for the unit on the windshield. Ensure that the sensor's position does not obstruct the driver's view and shows a clear image through the sweep of the wipers. Use an alcohol-based wipe to clean the area on the windshield where the sensor will be installed. Dry the area to ensure all excess alcohol is removed. After determining the exact location for the Go Focus sensor, remove the film from the adhesive, then mount the sensor bracket on the windshield and apply pressure for 30 seconds. Slide the sensor unit into the bracket and use the provided locking tool to tighten the unit in place, ensuring that the sensor is facing forward. Route the cable and the headliner toward the A-pillar. Remove the covers on the A-pillar so you can route the cables underneath. Ensure to route the cable behind any obstructions, such as the airbag, to avoid interference with deployment. Use cable ties to secure the wiring. Trim any excess tie. Continue routing the sensor cable through the dash to reach the OBD2 port and the Go device. Use a cable tie to secure the connection. Trim any excess tie. On the Go device, remove the IOX expansion port cover and plug in the sensor cable. Use a cable tie to secure the connection. Trim any excess tie. Continue with installing the Go device, following best practices. For detailed instructions, please refer to the dedicated Go device installation video. Power on the Go Focus sensor in the vehicle. The device should beep and then confirm that the unit Wi-Fi is active.
Wi-Fi on.
Next, on your phone, connect to the Go Focus Wi-Fi network. Wi-Fi password is the reverse of the serial number found on the sensor. Then, on your browser, enter the following address to access the Go Focus sensor portal. Press Next to calibrate the lens. Ensure the red horizontal line is aligned with the intersection of road lines. Press Next and input height and lens offset parameters according to the in-app instructions. Next, enter the sensor location on your windshield to complete the calibration process. The installation is now complete.